burn together till the break of day. Yeah. All spin, the drums start calling, we dive right in, bare feet moving on silver sand. No map, no rule, no master plan. The fire crackles, stories fly, laughter glowing against the sky. You pass the bottle, I take a sip, the music flows through every trip. The bass line hums beneath our feet, the air electric, pure and sweet. I see your eyes, they shine like flame. No need to speak, we feel the same. Every face lit golden warm, different souls, the same heartbeat form. We came from far, but here we meet in firelight. Ours come firelight reggae, the night's still young. Hearts on the rhythm, voices sung. Dance in the glow, let the shadows play. We burn together till the break of day. Someone strums a sweet guitar, notes like smoke drift near and far. The sea replies with gentle roar, the rhythm growing more and more. Hands are clapping, voices blend. No start, no stop, no need to end. Freedom hums in every tone. Nobody here feels alone. I see the elders moving slow, the young ones while the candles glow. Drummers sweating, eyes half closed, the night revealing what it knows. We've got no crown, we've got no throne, but love's the only fire we own. The sky above, the waves below, and in between. Firelight reggae, the night's still young. Hearts on the rhythm, voices sung. Dance in the glow, let the shadows play. We burn together till the break of day. Firelight, firelight. Oh yeah, keep it up, keep it bright. All night, no worries, no fight. Just vibes, just light. The embers fall like orange stars, the waves still singing from afar. You lean your head upon my chest, and all the noise becomes a rest. No need to chase tomorrow's plan, we've got the world right where we stand. Every song becomes a prayer, every breath a sign we're there. The rhythm softens, the laughter fades, but still the spirit never decays. We built no walls, we left no mark, but we lit a flame inside the dark. Some will go and some will stay, but none forget this fire today. For in the light we all became the same soul with a different name. The sun will rise, but not too soon. The smoke still dances under the moon. We hold our hearts like shining coals, still burning love that keeps it growing. Reggae, the night's still young. Hearts on the rhythm, voices sung. Dance in the glow, let the shadows play. We burn together till the break of day. Firelight reggae, hold me tight. Keep the warmth through every night. We'll meet again where the waves collide, where music lives and hearts reside. Hey, firelight, firelight. Yeah, yeah. But the love will always glow. Firelight, stay true. The night remembers me and you.
One heartbeat, one song we sing. Love is the rhythm in everything. No border, no war, no fight to win. Just people dancing under the wind. One heartbeat, one love divine. Yours and mine in perfect time. Keep it strong, keep it free. The whole world moves in unity. We come from different skies and lands, different dreams, different hands. Some carry sorrow, some carry flame, but the heartbeat sound is all the same. Drums echo loud, the crowd replies. Colors rising beneath the skies. We move one song we sing. Love is the rhythm in everything. No border, no wall, no fight to win. Just people dancing under the wind. One heartbeat, one love divine. Yours and mine in perfect time. Keep it strong, keep it free. The whole world moves in unity. Oh, oh, one heart, one heart. Oh, oh, one sound, one sound. Oh, keep love around, love around. Oh, never back down. When morning breaks, the drums still roll. The echo lives inside our soul. You can't forget what you became when love called out your hidden name. We may go home to separate streets, but still our rhythm never sleeps. From Kingston Bay to Tokyo shore, the same heart beats forevermore. I've seen strangers turn to friends just 'cause the music never ends. I've seen pain washed out by sound and tired hearts lifted from the ground. If you listen close, you'll hear it too. The world's still singing inside of you. No matter where your journey leads, you'll always carry this heartbeat seed. One heartbeat, one song we sing. Love is the rhythm in everything. No border, no wall, no fight to win. Just people dancing under the wind. One heartbeat, one love divine. Yours and mine in perfect time. Keep it strong, keep it free. The whole world moves in unity. One heart, one sound. Let love go round and round. One heartbeat forever found. Morning light rolling in so bright, washing away the shades of night. The sky turns gold, the world feels new. I start again beneath this view. The sea still whispers soft and low, the wind still hums a tune I know. Last night's worries drifted far, carried away by the morning star. I breathe in salt, I breathe in peace. The restless thoughts begin to cease. Footprints fading in the sand, but I feel strong, I understand. Every wave a gentle prayer, saying you're alive, still here, still there. No need to chase, no need to hide, just float along with the morning tide. I used to fear the breaking dawn, but now I'm glad the dark is gone. For every ending softly shows how life renews. Our tide rolling in so bright, washing away the shades of night. The sky turns gold, the world feels new. I start again beneath this view. The fishermen call their boats set free. The sunlight dances on the sea. Children laughing down the way, running barefoot into day. The smell of coffee fills the air. A song of life is everywhere, and in that sound my soul awakes. The world is kind for its own sake. Yesterday had storms and pain, but the ocean teaches me again. Waves may crash and hearts may break, but peace returns with each daybreak. No one owns the sun or sky, but love is ours, it never dies. And I feel the rhythm deep inside, the beating pulse of the tide, rolling in so bright, washing away the shades of night. The sky turns gold, the world feels new. I start again beneath this view. Rise up, breathe slow, let the sunlight overflow. Every wound will heal in time, every tear becomes a rhyme. Lift your face, let the wind decide. You're not alone, the sea's on your side. I walk along the edge of day, watching dreams drift far away. But not in sorrow, not in grief, just gentle change, just sweet relief. The ocean knows what I've been through, it whispers
washing away the shades of night. The sky turns gold, the world feels new. I start again beneath this view. Morning tide, my soul aligned, leaving the dark of the past behind. I rise, I smile, I let it slide. I'm alive again with the morning tide. Rise again with the sun. Let the light wash your pain. The dark had its moment, but it won't remain. Breathe in peace. Let your spirit run. You're still alive. Rise again with the sun. I walked alone through the sleepless rain, echoes of memories calling my name. The city was quiet, the sky was gray, but deep in my chest hope found its way. I used to think I'd lost my song, but silence taught me to stay strong. The wind still whispered through the trees, don't forget who you're meant to be. Every tear became a seed, every scar a lesson freed. Pain don't fade, it learns to bend. It turns from wound to faithful friend. The world don't owe us easy days, but love still shines in quiet ways. And as the clouds begin to break, I feel my heart rise again with the sun. Let the light wash your pain. The dark had its moment, but it won't remain. Breathe in peace, let your spirit run. You're still alive. Rise again with the sun. The first light hits the mountain's face, golden warmth, a soft embrace. I see reflections in the sea, the same light lives inside of me. Birds start singing from the trees, the sound is simple, it puts me at ease. The world still spins, the river flows, and something deep inside me knows it's not about the race or climb. It's learning how to take your time. It's smiling even when you fall. It's answering life when it calls. No one sees the storm you fought, but still you shine, that's what you brought. The night will fade but not erase the strength the pain held again with the sun. Let the light wash your pain. The dark had its moment, but it won't remain. Breathe in peace, let your spirit run. You're still alive. Rise again with the sun. Close your eyes, feel the wind. Let go of what has been. You don't have to start again, you've already begun. Now I walk with lighter feet. The road ahead feels calm and sweet. No need to rush, no need to hide. The sun is warm on every side. I see the faces passing by, each one holding a little sky. We're all just searching for a place to rest our hearts, to find our grace. And if I fall again someday, the sun will still rise anyway. I'll sit a while, I'll breathe, I'll mend. The world don't end, it just depends. Kindness comes in smallest things, a smile, a word, a bird that sings.
I'll carry that in all I do. This morning light is brighter with the sun. Let the light wash your pain. The dark had its moment, but it won't remain. Breathe in peace, let your spirit run. You're still alive. Rise again with the sun. Rise again, no matter how long. The heart still beats, the soul stays strong. The night is gone, the day's begun. We rise again with the sun.
sweet and kind, echoes of peace that clear my mind. Let them blow, let them spin. I'll ride forever on the wind. Talking to the waves, they answer slow, telling me the things I used to know. Every rise, every fall, every sound they make teaches me the peace that no one can take. The morning drifts in soft and wide, the tide rolls up then slips aside. I sit alone where sea meets sky, no words to speak, no need to try. The wind brushes through my hair, the same old rhythm always there. The water hums a sacred tone, reminding me I'm not alone. I ask the waves about the past, the love I lost, the time too fast. They laugh and foam and pull away, saying, child, you're fine today. They tell me pain is just the tide, it comes, it goes, it can't reside. You cannot hold it, you let it be, and find your calm inside the sea. Talking to the waves, they answer slow, telling me the things I used to know. Every rise, every fall, every sound they make teaches me the peace that no one can take. The sun climbs higher, gold on blue, each shimmer feels like something new. The seagulls cry, the palm trees bow, and I feel lighter here and now. The world keeps spinning just the same, but somehow I don't feel the pain. The rhythm's soft but strong beneath, it guides my heart with steady beat. I tell the sea I've made mistakes, I built and broken, healed and ached. The waves reply with gentle grin, we've seen it all begin again. They show me how the shore can mend, each crash becomes a soft new blend. They whisper low, don't fight the flow, just let your deepest colors show. Talking to the waves, they answer slow, telling me the things I used to know. Every rise, every fall, every sound they make teaches me the peace that no one can take. Close your eyes, let it roll. You're part of something whole, no need to chase, no need to hide. You are the wave, you are the tide. Now I see reflections clear of who I was, of why I'm here. Not to be perfect, not to win, but to breathe the world I'm in. The ocean holds both storm and calm, it breaks and builds with equal palm. So I too rise, I too fall, but still I'm part of it all. The sea don't ask for where you've been, it only says come start again. I trace my name into the sand, then watch it fade from where I stand. Not as lost, but something pure, a promise made not to endure. To live, to love, to let things go, to follow waves wherever they flow. The water shines, my spirit awakes, my heart forgiving its own mistakes. The past dissolves, the future wide, and I am calm inside the tide. Talking
saying nothing here stays the same. But in each sound I find my place. The ocean knows my soul's true face.
I've chased the sun, I've run from rain. sprinkled red. The worries fade from inside my head. The streets still hum, the people pass, but I find peace at last. Every sound becomes a song, every wrong feels less so wrong. The beat keeps moving strong and true, the evening light feels born anew. I lift my hands, I feel the breeze. The world don't stop, but I find ease. The rhythm flows beneath my feet, a gentle fire, warm and sweet. The laughter echoes down the lane, the drums erase the day's old strain. I close my eyes and let it be, the night begins to comfort me. When light meets dark, the world exhaling the final spark. The children's voices fade to hum, the heart beats slow like a steady drum. Every scar, every tear, every line turns to art in this golden time. The sunset says you've done your best, now lay your fear and let it rest. I feel the bass deep in my chest, it tells me you've survived the test. No crown, no stage, no need for fame, just dancing souls, we're all the same. The colors fade but hearts ignite, we shine our joy into the night. No need to rush, no need to run, we're part of moon, of stars, of sun. Dance into the dusk, but let your spirit fly. The day may fade, but we still try. Smile through the fire, sing through the pain. Tomorrow's sunshine will come again. Oh, 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 keep the fire alive. Oh, oh, we will survive. Oh, oh, dance in the light. Oh, oh, feel alright. Now shadows grow, the lamps ignite, but still my soul feels pure and bright. The sea reflects the fading flame, the waves still whisper my name. I've walked through storms, I've felt the rain, but here I am still whole again. The rhythm heals, the people smile, and life feels sacred for a while. No perfect plan, no flawless path, just joy that burns in moments that last. We live, we fall, we stand, we mend each night, a promise each day a friend. And as the sky turns violet blue, I dance for me, I dance for you. The music wraps the world so wide and carries love on every side. So come on close, don't let it end, let's dance again, my soul's best friend. The light may fade, but that's okay, the stars will guide our reggae way. Dance into the dusk, let your spirit fly. The day may fade, but we still try. Smile through the fire, sing through the pain. Tomorrow's sunshine will give you. Dance into the dusk, the world turns slow. The beat still burns with the golden glow. One love, one heart, one soul and trust. We keep on dancing into the dusk. Step into the morning, let your heart be free. Leave behind the shadows, come and dance with me. Every breath's a chance to start again. The sun is rising, my old friend. The night was heavy, the rain was long, but here we are still holding strong. The light breaks through the window pane and washes off the old refrain. I stretch my hands, I feel the sky. I don't ask how, I don't ask why. The breeze is warm, the world feels new, and everything is born from dew. The streets awake with distant sound, life begins to spin around. A vendor laughs, a child calls loud. The city hums, alive and proud. I walk slow, but I'm not late. Every moment's worth the wait. Yesterday has gone its way, but I'm still here to greet today. Step into the morning, let
to smile. It hides away for a little while, but when the dawn begins to glow, it whispers softly, let it go. I've carried doubt, I've carried fear, but they dissolve when the light is near. The rhythm moves beneath my feet, a gentle pulse, so pure, so sweet. I see the ocean calm and wide, the waves returning with quiet pride. The world don't rush, the sky don't race, just steady flow, a sacred grace. I breathe it in, I let it stay, this peace that comes with break of day. I'm not alone, I never was. The morning hums and that's because step into the morning, let your heart be free. Leave behind the shadows, come and dance with me. Every breath's a chance to start again. The sun is rising, my old friend. Rise up, my soul, feel the sound. Lift your feet from the solid ground. Let the rhythm wash the pain away. We're brand new people every. Now the sun climbs high, the colors change. The air feels soft, the distance strange. What once was lost, I now can see, was never gone, it lived in me. The heart that breaks learns how to mend. The song that stops begins again. And every dream I thought was done shines again beneath the sun. The morning teaches, don't rush the climb. The beauty's found in every time. No need to prove, no need to show. Just plant your seed and let it grow. A stranger waves, I smile back. We share this light upon one track. Different paths, but same sunrise. Different lives, same open skies. So I step forward, calm and true, with gratitude for all I've been through. No fear remains, no dark disguise, just love reflected in my eyes. Step into the morning, let your heart be free. Leave behind the shadows, come and dance with me. Every breath's a chance to start again. The sun is rising, my old friend. Step into the morning, let your spirit shine. Your rhythm meets the light divine. No need to wait, no need to hide. We're born again with the morning tide. The last sunrise shining golden white. All my worries washed away by the tide. One more time I lift my eyes and dance beneath the last sunrise. The night was deep, the stars were kind. They taught me peace inside my mind. I faced my fears, I felt my scars, but love still glows beneath the stars. Now the sky begins to burn, and every lesson starts to turn. All the pain, the tears, the doubt, the morning light will sort them out. The sea reflects a brand new day, the colors bloom in quiet play. No need to chase, no need to run. The journey starts with rising sun. Every sound feels pure and clean. The bass line hums like what I mean. The rhythm flows, the world's alive. And I remember I survived. I've seen the dark, I felt the fall, but somehow I still stand through it all. And as the first light hits my face, I know I'm here in the right. Last sunrise shining golden white. All my worries washed away Happiness lives in morning's flame. It burns the guilt, it cleans the shame. I smile and whisper to the breeze. Thank you for teaching me to breathe. No more hiding, no more blame. The light knows me, it calls my name. The ocean sings a low refrain. Let go the hurt, release the chain. And as the waves kiss at my feet, I hear my heart beat strong. Last sunrise shining golden white. All my worries washed away by the tide. One more time I lift my eyes and dance beneath the last sunrise. Oh, we rise again. Oh, we're free within. Oh, one world, one love. Shine forever, sky above. Now the morning takes my hand, leads me softly across the sand. The world feels lighter, my soul feels clear. The voice of life is all I hear. No yesterday can hold me tight. No future steals this present light. I've walked through storms, I've lost, I've won. But every step brought me to the sun. I don't need proof, I don't need signs. The truth is simple, my heart aligns. With every breath I feel release. With every smile I'm built for peace. The world is spinning full and wide, but I am steady still inside. The music flows, the people sing, and I can feel what morning brings. The dawn reminds me life's not done, it's just begun beneath the sun. And if tomorrow fades away, I'll still be grateful for today. For love remains in every rise, in every soul, in every sky. The rhythm beats, the drums ignite, and I step forward into last sunrise shining golden white. All my worries washed away by the tide. One more time I lift my eyes and dance beneath the last sun. The last sunrise, my heart set free. The world belongs to you and me. No more past, no fear, no cries. Just peace beneath the last sunrise.
One heartbeat, one song we sing. Love is the rhythm in everything. No border, no war, no fight to win. Just people dancing under the wind. One heartbeat, one love divine. Yours and mine in perfect time. Keep it strong, keep it free. The whole world moves in unity.
We come from different skies and lands, different dreams, different hands. Some carry sorrow, some carry flame, but the heartbeat sound is all the same. Drums echo loud, the crowd replies. Colors rising beneath the skies. We move together, not apart. Each step aligned with one big heart. I see the smiles, the hands held high. Tears of joy that never dry. Music stronger than fear or hate. It opens doors, it breaks the gate. No flag can hold what love can free. No chain can stop this harmony. The world turns round, but we still stand. United souls across the sand. One heartbeat, one song we sing. Love is the rhythm in everything. No border, no forevermore. I've seen strangers turn to friends just cause the music never ends. I've seen pain washed out by sound and tired hearts lifted from the ground. If you listen close, you'll hear it too. The world's still singing inside of you. No matter where your journey leads, you'll always carry this heartbeat seed. One heartbeat, one song we sing. Love is the rhythm and everything. No border, no wall, no fight to win. Just people dancing under the wind. One heartbeat, one love divine. Yours and mine in perfect time. Keep it strong, keep it free. The whole world moves in unity. One heart, one sound. Let love go round and round. One heartbeat forever found.
Firelight reggae, the night's still young. Hearts on the rhythm, voices song. Dance in the glow, let the shadows play. We burn together till the break of day. Yeah. The moon rise high, the stars all spin. The drums start calling, we dive right in. Bare feet moving on silver sand. No map, no rule, no master plan. The fire crackles, stories fly. Laughter glowing against the sky. You pass the bottle, I take a sip. The music flows through every trip. The bass line hums beneath our feet. The air electric, pure and sweet. I see your eyes, they shine like flame. No need to speak, we feel the same. Every face lit gold and warm. Different souls, the same heartbeat form. We came from far, but here we meet in firelight. Hearts come firelight reggae, the night's still young. Hearts on the rhythm, voices sung. Dance in the glow, let the shadows play. We burn together till the break of day. Someone strums a sweet guitar. Notes like smoke drift near and far. The sea replies with gentle roar. The rhythm growing more and more. Hands are clapping, voices blend. No start, no stop, no need to end. Freedom hums in every tone. Nobody here feels alone. I see the elders moving slow. The young ones wild, the candles glow. Drummers sweating, eyes half closed. The night revealing what it knows. We've got no crown, we've got no throne, but love's the only fire we own. The sky above, the waves below, and in between. Firelight reggae, the night's still young. Hearts on the rhythm, voices sung. Dance in the glow, let the shadows play. We burn together till the break of day. Firelight, firelight. Oh yeah, keep it hot, keep it bright. All night, no worries, no fight. Just vibes, just light. The embers fall like orange stars. The waves still singing from afar. You lean your head upon my chest, and all the noise becomes a rest. No need to chase tomorrow's plan. We've got the world right where we stand. Every song becomes a prayer. Every breath a sign we're there. The rhythm softens, the laughter fades, but still the spirit never decays. We built no walls, we left no mark, but we lit a flame inside the dark. Some will go and some will stay, but none forget this fire today. For in the light we all became the same soul with a different name. The sun will rise, but not too soon. The smoke still dances under the moon. We hold our hearts like shining coals, still burning love that keeps it warm. Reggae, the night's still young. Hearts on the rhythm, voices sung. Dance in the glow, let the shadows play. We burn together till the break of day. Firelight reggae, hold me tight. Keep the warmth through every night. We'll meet again where the waves collide, where music lives and hearts reside. Ay, firelight, firelight. Yeah, yeah. But the love will always glow. Firelight, stay true. The night remembers me and you.
let your spirit run. You're still alive. Rise again with the sun. I walked alone through the sleepless rain, echoes of memories calling my name. The city was quiet, the sky was gray, but deep in my chest hope found its way. I used to think I'd lost my song, but silence taught me to stay strong. The wind still whispered through the trees, don't forget who you're meant to be. Every tear became a seed, every scar a lesson freed. Pain don't fade, it learns to bend, it turns from wound to faithful friend. The world don't owe us easy days, but love still shines in quiet ways. And as the clouds begin to break, I feel my heart rise again with the sun. Let the light wash your pain. The dark had its moment, but it won't remain. Breathe in peace, let your spirit run. You're still alive. Rise again with the sun. The first light hits the mountain's face, golden warmth, a soft embrace. I see reflections in the sea, the same light lives inside of me. Birds start singing from the trees, the sound is simple, it puts me at ease. The world still spins, the river flows, and something deep inside me knows it's not about the race or climb, it's learning how to take your time. It's smiling even when you fall, it's answering life when it calls. No one sees the storm you fought, but still you shine, that's what you brought. The night will fade but not erase the strength of pain held again with the sun. Let the light wash your pain. The dark had its moment, but it won't remain. Breathe in peace, let your spirit run. You're still alive. Rise again with the sun. Close your eyes, feel the wind, let go of what has been. You don't have to start again, you've already begun. Now I walk with lighter feet, the road ahead feels calm and sweet. No need to rush, no need to hide, the sun is warm on every side. I see the faces passing by, each one holding a little sky. We're all just searching for a place to rest our hearts, to find our grace. And if I fall again someday, the sun will still rise anyway. I'll sit a while, I'll breathe, I'll mend. The world don't end, it just depends. Kindness comes in smallest things, a smile, a word, a bird that sings. I'll carry that in all I do. This morning light is brighter with the sun. Let the light wash your pain. The dark had its moment, but it won't remain. Breathe in peace, let your spirit run. You're still alive. Rise again with the sun. Rise again, no matter how long. The heart still beats, the soul stays strong. The night is gone, the day's begun. We rise again with the sun.